Hey, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of the Capybara Go onto your phone. So this is super cool, guys. We get unlimited gems. I've already enabled it. All pets, skip ads, anti-ban. So yeah, I've enabled it. So let's see if they go up. This is super cool, guys. You actually get unlimited gems, guys, on the Capybara Go, and it's fully working in 2025 for iOS and Android. So let's go into the tutorial. Yo, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this modded version of the Capybara Go. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is go to our browser, and we're just going to go onto tweakmod.com. So once we're on the website, guys, go on to the search bar, type in Capybara, and you should see it. So go ahead, press install, and then it will start downloading. Now, before it does download, there is a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and complete instructions, 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, it's super insane, guys. So if you like Capybara Go, you are going to love this modded Capybara Go. So let's wait for this to load just so I can show you guys how to do the verification. So as you can see right here, it says complete missing files. So it's going to be all these apps. So what you have to do is download 2 of the apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free from official app store. It doesn't matter which one you do, but just press on the app. It'll bring you to the store. So yeah, I'll see you later. There's a video to watch, but that is how to get the Capybara Go modded version, guys. Super insane. It fully works. I'm a big Capybara Go player, but recently I've discovered that it's not worth to play it because there's no way to get any money in the game without grinding. So now I've discovered this modded version, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so much better. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel. This actually works, guys, and it is super cool. So hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, try it out for yourself because this is super crazy. Yeah, it's fully working. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe. This actually is fully updated. So yeah, I've tried this a couple times. It actually works. So get the word out. It's so crazy, and it's 2025 version. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, it's new and improved.